Hello again. It's Bob coming at you from the Dean's office here in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida. And welcome to day 2 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing okay myself. Family's doing okay, and the college seems to be functioning quite well under the circumstances. So my quote for today is, "Necessity is the mother of invention," by Plato. Indeed, we have found ourselves in a situation where it becomes necessary to innovate. Let me give you an example. The induction into the profession. This is something that's very important for our faculty and for our students and for their families. But with the university saying that we can't hold meetings, for our safety and the safety of our students and their families and our faculty, we needed to find a way to nevertheless provide the students with the opportunity. And so Janet Gillis and her team are developing a process, believe it or not, where we will offer the induction ceremony remotely, online. Now the details are yet to be finalized, but I think this is an example of how engineers and the College of Engineering step up to the tasks at hand. Another example of how we've been engaged is Michael Celestin and others have been involved in developing and manufacturing and actually delivering devices to the doctors. In particular, we're talking about shields, face shields. Yesterday, Michael Celestin delivered 20 of these shields to Tampa General, and we're anxiously awaiting their feedback. And once we understand that the designs are compatible with the work that needs to be done, we are planning an assembly line to produce these face shields, hopefully 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 in the next month, as a way to, support the frontline nurses, doctors, and staff at the hospital. We're also collecting various types of needed materials such as gloves. Yesterday we delivered 360 N95 face masks. So if you have some knowledge of where there might be some of these resources, please let us know. Let me know. Let Jose Zayas Castro know, and we'll make sure that those get to the right people. So I want to thank you for the positive response to this project of trying to keep us all in touch. I wanted to read just a couple of the emails that we received. The first one I want to share with you is from Rob Tufts from NREC. He wrote, "I know it is important to keep up to date with what's going on. However, too much news can cause worry right now. For me, I am rationing the news and taking the time to walk the neighborhood near dusk and get outside. I believe more of my neighbors are doing the same." So good for you, Rob. This is a note I got from one of our faculty members, Ravi Sankar. He writes, "I hope our USF family is staying safe and healthy. It is a good idea to start this conversation to keep our minds off during this trying times, health, psychological, and economic crisis, all exponentially exploding at the same time. For many of us over several decades, office was our home, and now home is our office. No one would have had imagined this a month ago. During these challenging times, I am sure collectively we will find solutions that we would never have thought of. Looking forward to hearing more interesting stories to come out of this experience. So I encourage you to share your stories with us. Also, many of you are sharing photos And the plan is on Fridays, we will create an ensemble of all the photos that we've received and put it together in a video and post that. We've gotten some very interesting photos of family pets, various work areas at home, so please keep those coming. I will post later on today a photo of me and our new puppy, Wilson, and I encourage you to do the same with some of the ideas that we've discussed so far in terms of what are some ways that you're keeping yourself busy outside of work. Remember that we're always here for the students, and that ultimately this is all about student success. That can't happen without our faculty and without our staff being supported in ways that you need to do your job. I think the IT systems are maintaining. I hope so. I know that we've been working hard in the college to continue to support that. But if you have some issues, please let me know. In the meantime, again, thank you for all the work that you've done. Stay safe, be well, and we'll talk again soon.